Let us understand with understanding what is GST. Before that, let us go to understand what is tax. So, tax means it is coming from the Latin word taxor, which means to estimate. Tax is the amount paid by the person staying within the country. It is levied on individual, business, property. The Finance Minister of Government of India is responsible for levying and collection of most of the taxes in the country. Now, what is tax? What are the definition of tax? Tax is a mandatory amount of money that individuals and business required to pay to the government. It serves as a way for the government to collect funds for finance, public services such as education, healthcare, infrastructure and more. Tax is a compulsory contribution that is being imposed on income, profit, goods and services. What are the objectives of tax? First one, revenue generation. Through tax collection, the government collect the revenue for the essential public health services, roads, railways, etc. Then, to balance the economic stability of the government, through the tax collected from the individuals, it has been used for the growth of the economy in the country, redistribution of income, promotion of economic growth, regulation of consumption. Then, types of taxes in India. There are two types of taxes, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is that tax which is imposed directly on individual and entities based on their income or wealth. Examples of direct tax are income tax, corporate tax, and these taxes are governed by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes (CBDT). Indirect tax. It is tax levied on the consumption of goods and services. It is not directly levied on the income of the person. The consumer of goods and services is required to pay the tax along with the prices of goods and services. These are tax governed by Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Now, the difference between the direct taxes and indirect taxes. First one parameter, tax imposition. It is tax on the income or profit of the taxpayer under direct taxes. Under indirect taxes, it's on goods and services. Course of payment. In course of payment, under direct taxes, the taxpayer pays a tax to the government. Under indirect taxes, the taxpayer pays a tax to the government through an intermediary. Under paying entity, under direct tax, it is for individual and business. Under direct taxes, it is for end-to-end consumers. Then rate of tax. Under direct taxes, the rate of tax is decided by the government based on the profit and income. Under indirect tax, the tax rate is same for everyone depending on the type of goods and services.